Now working with posts, I will tell you how you can create your first post. Or you will go to post and then add new. So this is your first post. My post, I will give a title over here, and then I will write the dummy text, and then I will set a featured image. I will take this one and set feature image. I will publish it. So this will be my post. View post. So this is my structure. And then if you want to show the post in your in any page of your WordPress website, so simply create a page. I will create a page from here, like my posts, or you can say my blog page. With the help of WP Bakery plugin, you can set up add element. You will select posts. You can set post grid. From here you can give total items. How many items do you want to show? I will set 5, and then I will set grid element. I will show 1 and save changes and publish this page. View page. So you can see over here I have my new block, and then my posts, other posts, and third post. So in this way I can set up a new blog page for my WordPress website. So these are the posts which you can set up and show in the separate page, like for the blog page. And if you go to the single post, so this will be the single post of your WordPress website.